Hello viewers, let's talk about AWS Cloud Watch today. So as we know that Amazon Cloud Watch is used to monitor various services offered by Amazon Web Service such as EC2 instance or AWS Lambda or Amazon SNS, load balancer, etc. So it was designed as an AWS component. Amazon Cloud Watch provides cloud-based monitoring for AWS resources including EC2 instance, Elastic, load balancers, auto-scaling group along with the Amazon service like Amazon S3, SNS, SQS and RDS. Amazon administrator can easily monitor multiple AWS instances and applications from a centralized dashboard. So CloudWatch can also be used to detect any abnormality in your cloud environment, create custom dashboards that includes metrics for the AWS services that you use, create and configure alarms that can monitor AWS metrics and initiate automated actions, gain complete visibility into application performance, utilization of AWS resource, and overall health of your operations. So you can see here CloudWatch is used to monitor various AWS services, and it can also send you the alerts and notifications on email, SMS, etc. It can watch the auto scaling group, S3 bucket, etc. So Amazon CloudWatch uh, gives you multiple features, which includes contributor insights. CloudWatch released this feature to public preview late in 2019 and is now fully available as of April 2020. Contributors insights are metrics from other users you can use to analyze log data, create time series, and glean other insights. CloudWatch also gives you Synthetics, a service that allows you to monitor APIs and endpoints using canaries. Then it also have Service Lens, and which integrates with AWS Accelerate to provide better visibility of your apps and services. Then it also has Container Insights, which enable you to collect and analyze data from your containerized application and services. So the different metrics provided by CloudWatch are specific to AWS region, which it cannot be deleted, expires after 15 months of no new data endpoints, and are defined by a unique name, namespace, dimension combination. CloudWatch retains high resolution metrics data for 3 hours, detailed standard metrics data for 15 days, and basic standard metric data for 63 days. So Amazon CloudWatch has complete visibility into your cloud resources and applications. It collects the data, metrics, log from your resources, applications, and services that run on AWS or on-premise servers. It monitors, visualizes applications and infrastructure with a dashboard, troubleshoot with correlated logs and metrics, and set alerts. It acts as automated response to operational challenges with CloudWatch events and auto-scaling. And it also used to analyze up to 1 second metrics, extend data retention for 15 months, and real-time analysis with CloudWatch metric math. So it gives you application monitoring, system-wise visibility, resource optimization, unified operational health, and unified cross-account visibility. So what are the different use cases in which we use in day-to-day basis? So first is monitor application performance. CloudWatch helps you to visualize application performance data, create alarms, and correlate data to understand and resolve the root cause of performance issue in your AWS resource. It performs root cause analysis as well, analyze metrics, logs analytics, and user requests to speed up debugging and resource overall mean time to resolution. It optimizes resource proactively, automate resource planning, and lower cost by setting access to occur when the thresholds are met based on your specification or machine learning model. And it helps you to test website impacts, find out exactly when your website is impacted and for how long by viewing screenshot logs and web requests at any point in time. It also sets alarm on any of your metrics to send you a notification or take other automated actions. For example, when a specific Amazon EC2 metric across your alarm threshold, or you can use auto scaling to dynamically add or remove EC2 instance or send you a notification. It also helps to monitor and react to resource changes. CloudWatch event provides a stream of events describing changes to your Amazon Web Service resources. You can easily build workflow that automatically take actions you define, such as stopping an Amazon EC2 instance, sending an Amazon SNS message, or adding a message to the Amazon SQS queue when an event of interest occurs. Amazon CloudWatch monitors your Amazon Web Service resources and the application you run on AWS in real time. You can use CloudWatch to collect and track metrics, which are variables you can measure for your resources and applications. The CloudWatch homepage automatically displays metrics about every AWS service you use, you can additionally create custom dashboards to display metrics about your custom applications and display custom collections of metrics that you choose. You can create alarms that watch metrics and send notifications or automatically make changes to the resources you are monitoring when a threshold is breached. For example, you can monitor the CPU usage and disk rates and writes of your Amazon EC2 instance and then use that data to determine whether you should launch additional instance to handle increased load. You can also use this data to stop underused instances to save money. With CloudWatch, you gain system-wide visibility into resource utilization, application performance, and operational health. So some of the related services to CloudWatch are Amazon Simple Notification Service, Amazon SNS, which coordinates and manages the delivery of or sending of messages to subscribing endpoints or clients. You use Amazon SNS with CloudWatch to send message when an alarm threshold has been reached. For more information, you can check setting up Amazon SNS notifications section online. Amazon EC2 auto scaling enables you to automatically launch or terminate Amazon EC2 instance based on user-defined policies, health status checks, and schedules. You can use a CloudWatch alarm with Amazon EC2 auto scaling to scale your EC2 instance based on demand. For more information, you can see online for the dynamic scaling in Amazon EC2 auto scaling user guide. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and if you think the videos are helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel.